Good morning students, welcome to Nilagiri Degree and PG College. So last video modified Newton's method, not modified Newton's method of false position, next modified Newton method వస్తుంది. So okay, method of false position after before iteration method, secant method, dissection method and Newton's method. And that Newton's methods is the three methods is there. The first method is Newton method and Newton-Raphson method or Newton's method, and the second method is in secant method, third method is in method of false position. Method of false position, secant method, both are same methods. So one topic is difference and that the procedure formula is the same. And Newton's method is the simple formula is there. After that error analysis for iterative methods and errors ni find out cheyadam kosam in that iterative methods lo the rate of convergence formula is there. Error analysis for iterative methods lo the rate of convergence formula is there. The rate of convergence formula here exists two positive constants are alpha and lambda. The formula is limit n tends to infinity pn plus 1 minus p by pn minus p power alpha equals to lambda. Okay, here we observe that main which in sometimes which is the formula we have to use in the bisection method to find the number of iterations. Okay, కొన్నిసార్లు అలా కూడా యూజ్ చేసాం. Here lambda is called the order of a convergent, alpha is called, and lambda is an asymptotic error constant. Here the three cases are there. First case is in alpha equals to 1, alpha 1 in this power term. Okay, here the power term alpha equals to 1 and lambda is in less than 1 and 1 below terms, then that the sequence is said to be linearly convergent. If alpha equals to 1, lambda less than or equals to 0, less than and equals to 0, that the sequence is said to be also linearly convergent. అంటే 1 కంటే తక్కువ ఉందని చెప్తున్నాం అండ్ అగైన్ 0 ఆల్సో తక్కువ అని చెప్తున్నాం అండి. 1 కంటే తక్కువ నాట్ ఏ 1, హియర్ 0 కంటే తక్కువ బట్ ఆల్సో 0. ఓకే, దట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సూపర్ లీనియర్, నాట్ ఏ లీనియర్లీ సూపర్ లీనియర్లీ కన్వర్జెంట్. If alpha equals to 2, then the sequence is said to be quadratic convergent. The power and pn minus p power alpha is the sequence is known as a quadratic. Alpha equals to 3 is then a cubic. Alpha equals to 4 up to so on the terms line, quadratic, cube, fourth root, fifth root convergences అంటామండి. డైరెక్ట్ ఓన్లీ మనకి క్వాడ్రటిక్ క్యూబిక్ మాత్రమే నేమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. 4th, 5th, 6th అని రాస్తామన్నా. నెక్స్ట్, so this is the values in the error analysis for iterative methods. This is the formula we have to use in error analysis is order of a convergent, and that alpha and lambda values we choose linearly convergent, quadratic convergent, cubic and super linearly convergent also there. So these are the 4 case. We use this 4 case and use this formula to find the some problems are there. They solve these problems. First one, show that the following series have show the following sequences converges linearly if 2p equals to 0 anta how large must n before that's value ante we find n also అంటే ఎంత లార్జ్ ఉంది n వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి, అండ్ p ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 we have to take to find the two questions are there. The first rate of convergence, this is the formula already we discussing. Limit n tend to infinity equals to pn plus p minus divided by pn minus p power alpha equals to lambda. Now linearly convergent to p equals to 0. Here we have to linearly, that's why alpha equals to we have to taken as an 1. Observe that one, linearly convergent to p equals to 0. Here p value is there, linearly converge linearly means here alpha equals to 2 we have to take. Already discussing on the 3 cases. In the first case linearly convergent, that's we have to take as alpha equals to 1, p equals to 0. Here the pn value is the question, first question 1 by n. We finding the pn plus p minus pn p power alpha, so that's why we find out that pn plus 1 value also. Pn equals to 1 by n and pn plus 1 equals to 1 by n plus 1 is this. So now substitute that values. limit n tends to infinity, pn plus 1 value minus p value is 0, pn value is there minus p power alpha, alpha value is n 1, 1 by n plus 1 by 1 by n, it goes to upper side n by n plus 1. In the divided term n is n common, it becomes n is there, but it is not an n, that becomes 1 by n, n cancel, limit n tends to infinity. Here we observe that n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0. Why it has 1 by infinity? 1 by infinity becomes 0. So that's why we substitute that value in the 1 by n tends to value is in 0. 1 by 1 plus 0, its value is in 1, which is also linearly convergent to 0. Why it has to convergent to 0? Here p equals to 0 is there, that's why we taken as an lambda equals to 1. The case 1 is an linearly convergent. What is the case 1? Here lambda equals to 1 and alpha equals to 1 is there, are less than 1, that's why we taken as a linearly convergent. So which is then p equals to 0. And also we find that must, how large must n value is there. This is the how large must n. So we substitute, find out that one, pn minus p is n less than or equals to 5 into 10 power minus 2, pn equals to 1 by n minus 0, p value is there 5, 1 by n minus 0, it becomes 1 by n less than or equals to 10 power minus 2 we written as n 5 by 1 by 100, it's 5 by 100 becomes 1 by 20, 1 by n less than or equals to 1 by 20, we written as an n is in greater than or equals to 20, greater than or equals to 20 is in large must n value. After that second question is there, pn equals to 1 by n is the question. Observe this one, second question. So not pn equals to 1 by n square is the question, n is in greater than or equals to 1. Now substitute pn plus 1 and 1 by n plus 1 whole square, minus p value is also 0, p value alpha is also 0. After that we finding plus 1 by whole square, n tends to infinity, then 1 by n tends to 0, 1 by 1 plus 0 whole square, its value is 1, which is also linearly convergent to 2. After we finding pn minus p is n less than or equals to 5 into 10 power minus 2, here the pn value is n 1 by n square, 1 by n square is n less than or equals to 1 by 20, then n square is greater than or equals to 20, then n is n greater than or equals to root 20, root 20 becomes 4.47. Okay, here 1 by n square plus n power k బట్టి చేయండి, సింప్లిఫై చేసుకోండి, సేమ్ వాల్యూ ఇట్స్ అ లీనియర్లీ కన్వర్జెంట్. సో చెక్ చేసుకోండి, 2 ప్లేస్లో k ఓన్లీ, ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ 2 we substitute that k after simplification. Show that the sequence pn equals to 10 power minus 2n converges to quadratically. Quadratically means here alpha equals to 2, quadratically to 0, here p equals to 0, quadratically, so that's why we has an alpha equals to 2, p equals to 0. Just simplify, okay, values ఇచ్చి సింప్లిఫై చేయమంటుండ అంతే అండి. హియర్ లిమిట్ n tends to infinity, pn plus 1 minus p by pn minus p power alpha, the formula is there. Simplification, it becomes 1 only, just simplification here. Okay. After that, show that the sequence is generated by the bisection method, then error converges to 0. Show that the sequence generated by the bisection method generated. So this is the formula already discussing in the bisection method, used to find the number of iterations find out చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తాం ఇది ఫార్ములా. pn minus p is less than or equals to b minus a by 2. సో దాన్ని యూజ్ చేసి విత్ ఎర్రర్ అనాలిసిస్ కన్వర్జెస్ టు 0 అంటున్నాడు మనకి ఇక్కడ. ఇదన్ pn minus p, so 2 power n plus 1, rate of convergent is linearly, that's why we have to take it as an alpha equals to 1, its power alpha, it's 1. Here the pn plus here we not pn, here pn plus 1 is there, pn minus p, this one pn plus 1 minus pn ante 2 power n plus 1. Observe this, pn only 2 power n, pn plus 1 it becomes 2 power n plus 1. Okay, now substitute pn plus 1 minus p value is this one, pn minus p value is above value, b minus a, okay, by 2 power n, here 2 power n plus 1. Here convergent to linearly, that's why we taken as an alpha. After simplification, 2 power n by 2 power n plus 1. Why you have to taken as b minus a common. So this goes to upper side. 2 power n plus 1 we have written as 2 power n into 2. 2 cancel, it becomes 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is less than 1. It's compulsory linearly convergent. Why it has to be taken as alpha equals to 1 and lambda. So both value find out that after we tell as a linearly convergent or not. This is the error analysis for iterative metals in rate of conversion. After that method is an modified న్యూటన్స్ మెథడ్ ఉందండి. సో న్యూటన్స్ మెథడ్ ఒక్కసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ మాడిఫైడ్ న్యూటన్స్ మెథడ్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో తెలుస్తుంది మనకి. బట్ మాడిఫైడ్ న్యూటన్ మెథడ్ మీన్స్ ఇట్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రా న్యూటన్స్ మెథడ్కి ఇంకా కొంచెం మాడిఫై చేస్తే ఎలా వస్తుంది. సో న్యూటన్స్ మెథడ్ని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాము, యూజ్ అండ్ టేలర్స్ ఫార్ములా నుంచి, లేదా మాడిఫైడ్ యూడెస్ మెథడ్ అబ్జర్వ్ Newton's method, we eliminate what values are the eliminate in that higher terms and f dash f double dash after the terms. Higher and second and higher order terms are neglecting in the Newton's method. Here the third iteration, third method, third second differentiation వరకు ఉంటాయి modified Newton's method అనేది. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. secant మెథడ్, బైసెక్షన్ మెథడ్ అండ్ ఇటరేషన్ మెథడ్, న్యూటన్స్ మెథడ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మెథడ్స్ అండి. ఇప్పటి వరకు చెప్పిన అన్ని మెథడ్స్ ఇంపార్టెంటే. సో ఇవైనా నెక్స్ట్ చెప్పే మెథడ్స్ అయినా చాయిస్కి యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ వరకు చెప్పిన మెథడ్స్ చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటాయి, చూసుకోండి. డౌట్స్ ఉంటే వాట్సాప్ చేయండి.